A very quick and easy tutorial on how you can get more FPS in Roblox. Simply right click on your desktop and select display settings. From here this should load and we want to select graphics settings. You will see the option to browse for a file right here, so click on browse. We want to locate our Roblox, so right here where it says PC, or it might say something different, the name of your PC, we want to type percentage local app data percentage. So percentage local app data percentage, and press enter. It should load a bunch of folders, and right here we want to just click on any folder and press R, so we are located to the folders with starting with R, and find your Roblox folder. As you can see, I have it right here, so just open it up and select versions right here, then click on version and some numbers, and basically we want to select the Roblox player beta, so highlight it and click on add, and then right here we have to select options and we want to go to high performance, so select high performance and click on save. This should definitely boost your FPS when playing Roblox. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.